to the how many steps is it? We have done five, six, seven. So seven. So we now create a report card where we group everything together. So now will be students report card, right? And equals we have the student profile already. We just copy the student profile there. Yeah. And so this is where we start testing the stuff we have done before. Student profile. What does student profile says? Okay, the student profile is still there. Yeah. Okay. Cool. And so he has done that. Then we want to say so why I have done a teacher's remark to whatever is because thank you. So that is where I'm going with this remark. So now, because this will be contained in the report card, and this is the report card. So how do we bring this into the report card? Then, then we now need to create something else. Yeah. So we will say, I will come here to say, uh, teachers, um, let's say verdict for the in the assessment. Okay. Àwọn teacher yẹn wà ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. When the teacher in you when it talks assessment, right? Again, okay, good. So here I will set it to zero. Yeah. So here I will say instead of print the mark one, I will say teacher assessment is one. Yeah. Instead of saying the mark two here, I will say teacher assessment is two. Instead of saying three here, I will say teacher assessment is four. And here I will say teacher assessment is five. And here I will say teacher assessment. So sorry, uh, ó ti ń dalẹ̀ Friday ní orí tí ń shut down ni. So here now, yeah. Uh, where do you want me to create? Where do you want me to create it? So we will now come here to say, uh, do I use another? I can use another if here. So if teacher assessment equals one, right? We say a teacher's comment. Make that a string, right? So if teacher's assessment equals one, teacher's comment equals remark one, teacher's remark one. Yeah. And I will just, for the sake of time, uh, idiots, go to the next line. Okay, we can do L if, because it's another condition. Because so if that one doesn't get run, this one get run, right? And I will say two, and I will come here to say two, two. Understand under L if uh I will just paste that one. Free make it free. Say 4, then say 4. It goes up to 5. Then we say equals 5, then 5. Then, in case if the teacher forgot to make an assessment, we'll just cover it with else and say, uh, I will just comment to say a teacher's remark, and I will call it maybe 6 or default. Teacher's remark, default. Uh, get in touch with the school, please. So I will put, where is it going? I'm lost now. Okay. We say else teachers comment equals teachers remark default comment. Right. So the student card is there. Say we will say yeah, what can we put here again? So do we want to put this in student profile? Yeah, so we can put the result, but that means I will show you where the problem is now. So we say um um what do we do? Okay, list of subjects taken, uh subject taken. So for them to have a view of what they have done, subjects taken, then I'll just do something silly like this, something silly like that. Then I'll say I'll just list them out. Mathe, sorry, mathematics. So the problem we will have is this student profile now, yeah, has to come underneath because it's at the top. So we have to bring it down. So I will copy it and I will have to bring it down now so that you can see we have visibility of everything happening at the top, right? I don't know if we did that. So that is called scope. So before you can use anything, it has to be a predefined. Otherwise, if it's not defined before you start using it, then who makes it? Let me fill out the body, then it will go over it. So here is where I will do subjects. I will just put subject mathematics. So the grade, they will have the visibility of the grade here. Does that make sense? You see, it's quite involving. One, two. I made a mistake there. Yeah. So maybe I should just do uh new where I do English language, put the grade, and I do what again? Computing. Yeah. And I put the subjects, and I do history, and I put the subject. I put that. Yeah. Put the subjects. Which other one? Sciences. Sciences. I do that. So I'll start filling them out. Subjects. sciences, subject, mm, art, subject, history, subject, computing. That's not computing. Let me bring that one to the so subject English language. And don't let us forget the new line because we want them on the new line. New line. You may not have to put the R, but the R will just make sure that it starts on the first line of the next line. It's called return carriage. So let's test our code here. Okay, D. Okay, that pristine. Okay, we need to put a new line. Okay, subject taking. So mathematics. So that has to have a new line, new carriage return. Okay, good. So it's looking good. Uh, then we do. Then now we now have to play with our tab again. Tap. I will do tap, tap. That looks like it will need like three. Tap, tap. Tab. With tap. Yeah, I will just apply them arbitrarily now. Tap. And then I will see which one works, which one doesn't work. Okay, so history needs one more. Yeah, tap. It's like art needs two more. Tap. And the art. So let's try it. Boom. We are fine. So we copy this one, do pew, and I will come here to break the code. Put it there. Say student profile. How does it look now? Interesting. Then I will come here to break it again and say pim. One of them must go. Go. Say yeah. What do you call it? Is it a teacher's comment? Is it that? Is that what you call it? Teachers assessment. Assessment. uh, where is this error coming from? Okay, one must go. All right, fine. Then here we just put a teacher's comment. Open that and just do a teacher's comment. So let's see what happens. Teacher's comment. You have done well. Move on to the next class. So there are some culprits here that we don't have need for anymore. You need at least three. So here now that I don't have need for all these teachers remarks anymore, I can just come remove them. That will make the code a little bit neater. Remove, remove. So you need at least three. Where does that come from? This one. You need at least. Okay. Let me block this to find the culprits. The teacher's comment.